Hi, in this video we're going to see how to use the appointment slots feature in Google Calendar. Using the appointment slots is actually a very easy way of creating appointments in comparison to what we would normally use, for instance an email or a spreadsheet or even a shared Google Calendar. So let's get started. So here I am in my school Google Calendar and I want to create appointment slots for Wednesdays. So here I am on the next Wednesday on my calendar, which is March 27, and just like I would create a new event in Google Calendar, I would click on the 27 box, which opens up a new event window, and then I'm going to call it reading times. And then just below it, instead of choosing it as an event or out of office or task, I'm going to choose appointment slots. And then I'm going to choose a duration for each of those appointment slots. So I can either have the default 30 or I can just choose 20. So each slot will be 20 minutes. And then next I'm going to click on more options. And here I'm going to choose the time. So let's say every Wednesday 9 a.m. in the morning to 10 a.m. and then I'm gonna choose how many days do I want those appointment slots to be available. So then under does not repeat box here, if I click on it, I can either choose weekly or daily. But let's say if I want to have those appointment slots available for the rest of the year, I would just come down here and choose custom, and in this screen I already have the day chosen, and where it says ends I'm going to choose on, and I'm going to choose June 19, which is the last day of the year, and then click done. So now I have reading time slots available for appointments, and then I'm going to click save. So this will create the appointment slots for reading time every Wednesday 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. And so the next would be is to click on this box here, and there's a link here which says go to appointment page calendar, appointment page for this calendar. So if I click on this link, it will open up this Google Calendar page with, as you can see here, the reading times of the slots available. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy up here and then choose this URL, copy it, and then share it with the people that I would like to have those appointment slots available. This has the biggest advantage of using these appointment slots in Google Calendar is that unlike a shared event on a shared Google Calendar, no one can accidentally write over it or even remove a scheduled meeting. So I hope this video is helpful for you to create or use the appointment slots feature. If you do have any question, please feel free to write to me. Thank you.